Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to put Google Pixel 10a on silent or vibrate mode. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10a. First you need to find out the volume key on the right side of your Pixel phone. Press the upper or lower part of the volume key. Tap the sound mode icon. Tap the silent mode icon to turn on silent mode. When silent mode on, you will see a small pop-up. Call and notification will be muted. To turn off silent mode, similar way, press the volume button, tap sound icon. You will see calls and notifications will ring. For vibration, press volume button and tap the sound mode icon, then tap vibrate button. Calls and notifications will vibrate. That's it. These are the steps to put Google Pixel 10a silent or vibrate mode. You can use flip to silent your Google Pixel 10a. For that, open Settings app, go to System, then tap Gestures. Here you will see flip to shh. Tap on it. To silence notifications, place your device face down on a flat surface. You will feel a subtle vibration each time flip to shh turn on. Simply turn on, use flip to shh. That's it. These are the steps to turn on silent mode on Google Pixel 10a. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.